What is up, and welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. And today I am going to feature a special car as well as a special person. This person is a very good friend of mine, is willing to help just about anybody that needs help, whether you're a teammate or a competitor. He doesn't care. He just want to help everybody out. The car that I'm talking about is a S2000. The car is super nice, super clean, inside and out. Overall, he just did a great job building the car. Without further ado, let's get to it.
All right. My name is Johnny. I own this 2001 Honda S2000 with a Mode Perfume body kit. Let's see. What's so good about this car? Let's walk around. First, demo car of the Mode Perfume kit done by Out of Fashion. Very special. One of two, and I think, there's a third one now. Running the Volks Racing AF Edition. Mode Perfume suspension. Running a lot of the Jace Racing wing. I got a Cybon hood and the hardtop. I got the Cusco roll cage, the 6 points, and the whole reinforcement bottom end by Cusco. Of course, running a Toyo tires, R888. Can't go wrong with that. For the interiors, Recaro seats, Jace Racing steering wheel, shift knob, and few more goodies. Takata ASM, Mode Perfume interior, like all the inserts, and of course the engine bay. Jace Racing intake, cooling plate, torque damper front strut bar, and the heat shield. And one of the best about this car as well is the battery. Battery running on Mega Life, body club, taillight, and this battery is amazing. I mean, I haven't driven this car for months, and all I have to do is press this button and car start back up with no issue. Even so, I mean, car doesn't even die with this battery, but just in case it dies, all you have to do is press this button. Other than that, I mean, car's amazing. With over 200,000 miles on it, car is like perfectly run, like no issue at all.
So future plans?
Future plans, engine bay. I want to do something with the engine, either turbo or swap. There's a few more parts that I'm working on with. Of course, shout out to Jun from 805. I'm working something with him, and I really actually want to replace wheels, more aggressive. And then brakes, replace the brakes, and that's it. Hopefully color change, but we will see. But right now I'm happy with the way it stands and the way it drives. So I mean, car's perfect right now, runs good, takes me from A to B, and show wise, I mean, I'm happy with the car. I mean, can't go wrong with it. The way it was done, beautiful. I mean, the paint, other than that, that's it.
That's gonna do it for this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Definitely share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.